So today we're going to be speaking about actually using our spray cans, about distances, your speed and about the finish that you'll be able to achieve. We'll be using both the traffic orange and our ultra speed, which comes with our wide fan cap, our actual trigger for the cans, which are fantastic, make it much easier to spray. Flip that in like so. Make sure it's nice and centralized. An example of spraying far too close. Second you touch it, any spray, it will start to run. If you are too far away, it will become dust before it actually hits. So it won't be, even if you're going slowly, it won't pick up the film thickness that you're actually wanting. Plus you end up with areas that can be dry before they hit, which again causes dry spots and will not lead to a good finish. All the instructions are actually on the side of the can. You can actually see we've got a couple of decent steps there for you, just in case you ever forget any information about flash off times or distances. Recommended it is about 250mm, 8 inches to 10 inches away from the product. So when you actually use your spray cans at the correct distance with a moderate speed, you really don't want to be moving too fast or too slow. You will see a decent build-up start on your product. When applying one of your top coats after your dust coat, again, you just want to move ever so slightly slower than you were moving before to get your dust coat. You don't want to move too slowly because then again you get too much build-up. Hopefully, you'll begin to see some of the colour underneath going away and your finish starts to flat out into more of a flat, even finish rather than it being covered in bobbles, bits and craters. But now you can see we've got a good build-up. It's not too thick and it's laying quite flat. It should flat off slightly more as it dries. We recommend to give about 20 minutes in between coats. If left for up to 24 hours, you're supposed to key them up slightly before you actually add on another coat to make sure there's proper adhesion. Before you start spraying, if you're unsure about anything or you think that the distances that you're using might be wrong, you could always have a piece of cardboard and test your spray patterns. Like you see, we've got a very big fan on these nozzles, which are fantastic. You could also test how quick you need to go without actually ruining anything. It's a fantastic way to do it. You can set, even if you're using spray guns or anything, you can set all your spray guns up using the same sort of method.